Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our online class. Are you all happy, children? Yes. So, today, shall we start the class? Right. See, children, last class we have completed about thermometer. That is alcohol thermometer, mercury thermometer, and also about digital thermometer. I hope you all completed that. Children, today we are going to learn, that is in temperature, there are some conversion formulas. Okay, conversion formulas we are going to learn. Already we have learned two scales, Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So how to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, two formulas are there. That formula we can complete and we can learn some problems how to convert to Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, shall we start? Right. Children, today we are going to learn about temperature and heat. In that, few problems we are going to learn. Okay, conversion formulas. Conversion formula. So there are two simple equations are there. Okay, so by using that we can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Already we have learned two scales, is it? What are they? Fahrenheit scales and Celsius scale. So here two formulas are here. This you want to learn. You must learn these two formulas. Okay. If they are asking to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you want to use this first formula, that is F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. F is equal to C into 9 by 5 plus 32. This you want to by heart. Okay. Next, if they are asking Fahrenheit scale to Celsius to convert, so C is equal to, that is Celsius. C means Celsius. C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. Why here we are writing minus 32? You all know that Fahrenheit scale, it has the lower fixed point, or the melting point of pure ice is 32, is it? That's what you are subtracting that value. Okay, so 5 into F minus 32 by 9. Have you all understand? Okay, so these two equations you should learn. If they are asking the values to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can use these formulas. Okay, here F means Fahrenheit and C means Celsius value. Okay, so shall we see a few example? Okay, first example, that is convert 86 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Convert 86 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Here in the question they have given the value Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit and they are asking to convert to Celsius. So we have to find the value of Celsius. Is it? Yes or no? So there are given, shall we write the solution? That is, first given value we can write. The given value is Fahrenheit F is equal to 86 degree. F is equal to 86 degree. This is given, isn't it? Here, what they have asked to convert Celsius is equal to what? This only they have asked in the question, is it? So, Celsius value they asked, is it? Fahrenheit to Celsius you want to convert. That's what. We know the formula. We know that C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. What's the formula? Put it in the box. This you want to write it in your class or booklet, okay? C is equal to F minus 5 into F minus 32 by 9, okay? Therefore, if you know this formula, then only we can do this, okay? Find the solution. So, F minus 32. Here F means Fahrenheit value. We know the value that is in Fahrenheit, that which is given in the question, is it? So, F is equal to 86. Just you want to substitute that 86 instead of F. That's all. Okay. So, C is equal to 5 into, what's the value of F? 86, is it? So, substitute that 86 minus 32 divided by 9. Understand everyone? So, C equal to 5 into, instead of F, we have substitute the given value, that is 86 minus 32 by 9. Have you all understand? Next step, just first we want to complete that which is given in the bracket, is it? So, that is equal to 5 into, here 86 minus 32. If you don't know, just in the side as rough work you do it. 86 minus 32. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. Is it? So, what's the value? 54. So, bracket which is given, that we have completed. Divided by 9. Now, we can cancel this 2. Divide this 2 value. Because here it is into only. Is it? So, 1 9 is 9. 54. How much times in 9? 6. 6 9s are 54. Now what is the value? Here in bracket means it is indicating that is multiplication, is it? So 5 into 6. By 1 we can leave, is it? The same by 1 means we will get the same value, 5 into 6. By 1 is 5 into 6. So 5 6 are 30. 30 degree. So this is the value for Celsius, is it? 30 degree Celsius. So Fahrenheit, in Fahrenheit 86 degree means in Celsius that is equal to 30 degree. That's the meaning of this. So convert 86 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, degree Celsius they have asked. Given us F is equal to 86 degree Celsius equal to what? That the question. So we know the formula. C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. So here just we want to substitute the value of F here. So C is equal to 5 into 86 minus 32 by 9. First we want to complete which is given in the bracket. That's all. Just subtract the values 86 minus 32 and we are getting it is 54. So 5 into 54 by 9. Next we can divide this value and we can get that is 1 minus 9. 6 9s are 54. Then 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30. So what's the answer? So now we have convert Fahrenheit from Fahrenheit to Celsius, is it? So C value is 30 degrees. So answer is 30 degree Celsius. Have you all understand how to find this value? That is how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius? Yes. Children, the next question is from the exercise part we can do it, okay? That one more example that is given that we will see in the next class, okay? So related to this example, first example, we have the problems in here that is in the exercise part also that we can complete today, okay? So page number 98, all of you take page number 98, that is 5th Roman letter numerical based questions. Did you see? In the question, in the booklet you want to write this, okay? 5th Roman letter numerical based question. In that second part, take that second part, that which is given, that is what is given there. Express the following temperatures in the Celsius scale. Express the following temperatures in the Celsius scale. Understand? Here A part. What's the A part question? 131 degree Fahrenheit. 131 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so here what they have asked, you want to convert Fahrenheit value they have given, is it? Fahrenheit to Celsius you want to convert. So Fahrenheit value they have given 131 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So solution, first we will write, usually we will write given values which is given in the question. So F is equal to, F Fahrenheit value only now they have given, so F is equal to 131 degree. Okay, what they have asked in the question, you want to find the value of C, that is Celsius. Okay, so C, if you want to find, what's the formula? Already we have learned, is it? So we know C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 divided by 9. This is the formula, very important formula, you put it in the box. Okay, C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. Therefore, C is equal to, now we want to substitute the value which is given here. Only for F we want to substitute here, is it? And simplify the step. C is equal to 5 into F value which is given 131. So 131 minus, then in the formula minus 32. This is from the formula, that is divided by 9. If you simplify, you will get the value of C. That's all. Very easy. Okay. So C is equal to, first any way you know which is in the bracket, first you want to complete. That's the rule. Okay. So 5 into, you are, see the here 131 minus 32. In mind also you can do it, or your do it and get the answer. Okay, so anyway you will get the answer 99. Okay, 99. So answer is 99 divided by 9. Okay, divided by 9. So 1 minus 9, 1 minus 9, 1 minus 9. Understand? So 11 9s are 99. 9. Okay, 11 9s are 99. So the C is equal to 5 into 11 by 1. Is it? So 5 into 11 by 1, 5 into 11. So 5 into 11, that is equal to 55 degrees. So for C, okay, therefore answer is C is equal to 55 degree. Okay, this is the answer. So now we have convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit to Celsius. C is equal to 55 degree. Okay, or I can write here answer is equal to 55 degrees Celsius. Answer is equal to 55 degree Celsius. So 131 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 55 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here they have asked to convert Celsius. So the formula we used to C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. Only we want to substitute the value of F in this equation, is it? So C is equal to 5 into 131 which is given in the question minus 32 divided by 9 which is in the formula, you just copy. Only substitute the value of F, that is 131. Then 131 minus 32, that is 99. So 5 into 99 by 9. Then you divide this both number, 1 minus 9, 11 9s are 99. So 11 into 5 or 5 into 11 by 1 is the answer. No, so by divided by any number divided by 1, the same number, is it? So 5 into 11, C equal to 5 into 11, 55 degree. Okay, so answer is 55 degrees Celsius. Have you all understood? Yes. Next, second part, that is B part question. B part. What is given in B part? See the book. That is 77 degree Fahrenheit. 77 degree Fahrenheit. Understand? So can you do this problem by your own? Can you do this problem by your own? Yes. So here also solution. First you write given, which is given. Okay. First you write given, which is given in the question. What is given? F is equal to 77 degree. F is equal to 77 degree, and they are asking first, commonly they have asked their Celsius scale. Is it express the following temperature in the Celsius scale? So convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So C is equal to what they are asking. So here also what's the formula? What's the formula? C only we have to find, is it? So what's the formula? We know C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. So this is the formula we have to use. Is it? C equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. Therefore, C value, C is equal to 5 into F. Instead of F, you want to substitute 77. Is it? 77 minus, that is F minus 32. This is from the formula, divided by 9. Okay. So that is equal to 5 into 77 minus 32. Do you know the value of 77 minus 32? 45. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. Is it? So 45 divided by 45 divided by 9. So divided by 9. Only we have complete about this which is given in the bracket. That's all. So 5 into this we have subtracted. So we got 45 divided by 9. That's all. Okay. Now we can cancel this. 1 minus 9. How much time? 5 time in 9 table. Listen, 5 9s are 45. So one table, if you know only, we can do fastly. Okay. So learn all those table. Okay. 1 minus 9, 5 9s are 45. That's all. 5 into 5. 5 into this 5. Okay. That is equal to 5 into 5 divided by 1 is there. But any number divided by 1, that is equal to the same number. So 5 into 5. Okay. What is the value of 5 into 5? That is 25. So this is for C, 25 degree. Okay, what's the value for C now? 25. So if F is equal to 77 degree, that is Fahrenheit. If it is 77 degree, that is equal in Celsius 25 degree. Okay, so now we have convert 77 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius. What's the value for Celsius? 25. Just if you know the formula, you can only for F value you have to substitute there and get the answer. That's all. Okay. Then C question. What is given? In C, that is 149 degree Fahrenheit. This value you have to convert into Celsius. Okay. Okay. Now solution. First given we want to write. Okay. F is equal to 149 degree. F is equal to 149 degree. Here they are asking the value of C. Okay. So we know C is equal to, we know the formula, that is C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 divided by 9. This is the formula. Is it? Now just you want to substitute this value in this formula. That's all. So C is equal to 5 into, what's the F value given in the question? 149 minus 32. As like just to copy from the formula and write the remaining. That's all. Letter which is given here only you want to substitute. That is F given. So F 149. Remaining you can simplify easily. So 5 into, first you want to complete the bracket. That's the rule, is it? So 149 minus 32. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. Is it? Then what? What's the answer? 117 divided by 9. Understand? So 117 divided by 9. So that is equal to, see here, by 9 is there. Here by 9, can you able to divide this number? Yes. 7 is there, no? So we can. Here, if you don't know the formula, just split it and try to divide that. Okay, 1 9 is 9. Here, first number is 1, second number is 1. First number is 1, that's what 2 number you jointly take it. Okay, so 11 is there. So 11 means 1 9, 1 time is there. 1 9 is 9. Remaining 2, 27. Okay, 27, how much time in 9? 3. So 13 9s are 117. Okay, so 13 9s are 117. So 5 into 13 divided by 1. This is the answer from this step. So 5, any number divided by 1 is the same number. So 5 into 13. So 5 into 13, if you don't know, in the side, you can able to write it and find the answer. Okay, 3 5s are 15, on balance, 1 5 is 5, plus 1 is there, so 65. 65 degree. 65 degree. Celsius equal to 65 degree. Understand all of you? Okay. Next question, D. D part question, that is homework. Okay. So, now we can do the last E part question. Okay. E part question. What is the question they have given in the E part? That is 23 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. 23 degree Fahrenheit. Given F is equal to 23 degree. See, they are asking. So we know the formula. C is equal to 5 into F minus 32 divided by 9. The same only. Okay. Why means they are asking Celsius value. So only this formula. Okay. Now C is equal to 5 into F, instead of F we have to substitute 23 minus 32 divided by 9. Okay. See here, first we want to complete this which is in bracket. So that is equal to 5 into, see here 23, here 32. So in maths you might have learned if there is here plus 23, here minus, is it? So this is the biggest number, is it? So which number is bigger, nearby which sign is that only we have to write here, is it? Now 32 minus 23, 32 minus 23, what's the answer? 9 divided by 9. Okay, so 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9. So here 5 into minus 1, that is equal to 5 into minus 1 divided by 1. So anyway, any number by 1, that is 5 into minus 1. Here 5 into minus 1 minus 5. This is the answer, is it? C. C is equal to minus 5. So here in multiplication, plus into minus, minus. That's what this minus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 5 degree. Okay, so answer is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So if it is 23 degree Fahrenheit, that is equal to in Celsius minus 5 degree. Okay, that's the meaning of this. Okay, then D is homework. Homework. What's the question? 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is homework. Okay, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Here also given Fahrenheit value is 32. Celsius you want to find. Okay. Formula, the same formula. C Celsius, C only know you have to find. That's what C equal to 5 into F minus 32. Instead of F you want to divided by 9. Instead of F you want to substitute this 32 and simplify that. C value find it. Okay. So all those we have completed. Only D I have given us homework. Do it and I will check it. Saturday while you are coming, submit for correction. Okay. So do this homework problem sincerely. Don't copy from anyone. Just you find the answer. Try. Okay. So conversion formula, one formula, all that example and this exercise part we have completed. If you learn today itself, it is very easy. So learn properly. Okay, children? Yes. So study those things. Thank you, children.